Yo, what is up, guys? Serge here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually start making money using Pinterest. That is possible that you guys can actually start making money with Pinterest without even creating none of the content yourself. Before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. So without no further ado, let's get started with this video. So how you guys are actually gonna start making money using Pinterest is basically with affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing is the best way to actually start making money without being monetized by Pinterest, TikTok, or even YouTube. You guys can actually start making money with affiliate marketing with having little to no followers whatsoever. Hundreds and thousands of creators actually make money doing this method and are making thousands or even millions of dollars to promote other people's products, or just tell them to go click on this and they get a commission out of it. This is where a lot of people could make a lot of money, especially if you guys are thinking about passive income. Okay, affiliate marketing is the best way to start if you have no money down and all you need is your phone and your laptop, and that's it. But I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually get started doing this just by using your phone. First, what you guys want to do is actually create a business Pinterest account. Okay, it's completely free and you guys don't need anything to get started besides signing up, and that's it. After you've done that, what you're gonna do is pick a niche that you guys want to be doing. I'm gonna go with camera niches, and right now I'm at my phone, and as you can see, this is actually getting a lot of attraction. I just searched up one of Sony's cameras, and as you can see, they have pins on this camera, and I'm gonna show you how you guys are actually not gonna create the content yourself to actually get started with this. After that, you guys go to TikTok and look up the niche that you guys are actually gonna be doing and the product you guys want to promote. Okay, for this one, it's Sony ZV-1. Just look up a review video that people are going to be talking about the camera, and as you can see, this video is comparing one to the other. Okay, then what you guys want to do is just copy the link. Then what you want to do is actually go to SnapTik and just paste that URL and download the video. Okay, after you downloaded this video, you could easily just download and go back to Pinterest and then just post it as a pin idea. When you have this pin already, all you gotta do is click next. As you can see here, you guys can actually put your affiliate link. So when someone clicks on it, you guys will start getting money when someone purchases it. My best recommendation for affiliate programs is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates has everything what you guys need to start off. Yes, the commission is pretty low, but if you're a beginner, that's the best way to actually go. Okay, or you guys could easily just apply directly through the company and the product that you guys are trying to promote. But Amazon Associate has everything, so you don't have to do none of that hassle. So when you guys are creating your Pinterest account, I want you guys to actually niche it down to a specific product or subcategory, as tech is a big industry. So you guys could literally just talk about cameras and some of the accessories that you guys love. Okay, so when you guys are starting off your Pinterest account, I want you guys to do this simple task, which will help you out a lot to making more money. Okay, it's doing SEO. When you guys are doing SEO through Pinterest, is actually really help, as it is the third best search engine. Pinterest is a combined social media platform and a search engine. So what that means is that your pins will last longer. When people look up what they're trying to do, it'll actually help you out in ranking higher than most people. Okay, so what I mean by this is have keywords on your boards, have keywords on your post, have related keywords, not just any keywords, related keywords to your niche, to your product that you guys are promoting. And yes, have specific boards, be more in depth. Long word keywords will help out the most if you do it that way. Just focus on the SEO aspects of Pinterest as it is a search engine, which also will help you boost up more money, and it will help you boost up your ranks when you guys are doing that way. And it stays longer, and it is the #1 spot where people actually find to buy something, that people actually search up stuff to actually buy from Pinterest. So you have a higher chance of actually making money with Pinterest if you do this consistently. I'm not gonna tell you, oh, do this, it's a lazy side hustle, which is not. Doing this is not lazy, because you do have to do a lot of work just for you to actually make money, and it will take time. But if you stay consistently doing this, it will actually help you out in the long run. Okay, consistent is key. If you guys do this, you guys will actually succeed with affiliate marketing. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And if you guys want a step-by-step guide on how to actually start affiliate marketing successfully, I actually have a free course down below. It's featuring one of my mentors, and he actually goes step by step on how you guys can actually get started with affiliate marketing and how you guys can actually succeed with it. You guys do not need to buy a big course for you guys to start affiliate marketing. You guys could just take my free course so you guys could actually get started with this. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next one. All right.